Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a handy update that makes it easier to find all group contributors on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook account. You can do this by navigating to www.facebook.com and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, we can move on to the next step. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your homepage. You'll see the Groups tab. Click on that and let's explore what's next. In the Groups section, click on Your Groups to get a complete list of all the groups you belong to. This is where you can quickly access any group you want to check out. Next, scroll through the list and click on the desired group that you want to delve into. This action will open up that specific group's page. Once you're inside the group, locate the Members tab situated near the top of the page. Click on it to see all the members within the group. Now comes the exciting part. Scroll down through the list of members, and you'll find the group contributors highlighted. These are the members who are actively contributing posts, comments, and engagement to the group, helping to keep the conversation going. And there you have it. You've successfully discovered how to find all group contributors on Facebook using your PC. This new update allows you to appreciate the members who add value to your online communities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching.